Hello, you lovely people watching this video. Hope you guys are doing well. Here I am with another video, but with a different touch. I'm gonna try to connect with each one of you and explain you my process of inspiration and connection to this mandala, which is a peacock, a peacock mandala. So, when we say peacocks, the first thing that comes to mind is India, isn't it? Not only because it's a national bird of India, but you can correlate the colorful peacock with the vibrant colors we see in India. Isn't that true? Now, would like to share with you guys about my inspiration of peacocks. This inspiration comes from a village called Koni, a village very near to my hometown, also known as Monwala Gaon, translated as Peacock Village, and is about 10 kilometers from Gorakhpur, where I live these days, enjoying the company of my parents, which I usually don't get to that often. I haven't been that fortunate enough to have visited that village yet, but I'm surely gonna plan the same very soon. I have to be very frank, I myself never knew about this village even though I am just 10 kilometers from it. You know what? I came across this article which read Peacock Village Gorakhpur, and out of curiosity went through the article. Trust me, to my amusement, just got attached to the idea of peacocks, and here you can see me completing this mandala. Though you can see the colors I'm using are not the one a peacock resembles, but it's these colors that represent the vibrant peacock of my imagination. The interesting fact about this Koni village, Morwala Gaon, or as many says Peacock village, is it has almost about 170 peacocks and they are integral part of the village. It's interesting to know each house in this village is adorned with a peacock feather. Doesn't that give a good feeling? It surely does to me though. The state forest officials have named the village as a bird guardian. Wow! I will put a link in my description box of the video where it shows those peacocks roaming around freely in fields and in the village. It's a link from a Times of India and Indian newspaper. You know, I have to tell you guys, watching this mandala peacock, which you are seeing me draw, is just an emotion and voice of my inner soul. I'm choosing the colors as they seem fit, and trust me, once the color takes its form, I'm as happy as you feel watching it for the first time. Because it's the same feeling for me watching it come out in front of my eyes, which I was just imagining. As most of you know that I do sometimes sing, I would like to tell you guys I'm always murmuring a song while I'm drawing. It helps me keep focused and keeps the flow of my imagination running. You won't believe me. I have had so many fights with my siblings while I was working on my artworks because I'm sometimes so lost in creating that I don't even listen to person sitting next to me. And trust me, in childhood, I lost so many of my artworks just because my siblings got irritated and I was not listening and they tore the work apart. It's fun to remember those moments. And the best thing about me being lost is that I'm still the same, only others have learned not to bother themselves while I'm creating. And they know I'm not listening. And they know I go with the lyrics of this song. हम तो भाई जैसे हैं वैसे रहेंगे अब कोई खुश हो या हो खफा हम नहीं बदलेंगे अपनी अदा. Yeah, that's it. I know some of you didn't get the meaning of those words I just sang. I'm gonna leave the English translation of those two lines in description box below. You know, I am also planning to make another one of the peacocks, but in a different form and obviously with a different color pattern. I'm sure you can see and feel the excitement in my voice. And trust me, really I am. So, I hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to comment and let me know how can I improve even better. So until next time, be safe and happy, and God bless you all. See ya!